Welcome to the Modus Test MPT and MTC applications tutorials. In this video, we will demonstrate how to utilize the MPT and MTC to ensure that only known good sockets are used in production, thereby achieving maximum performance of OEU, OEE, first pass, final test yield, and throughput. Let me first explain how typical socket maintenance is performed in factories and the challenges caused by undetected marginal C-res pins through current inspection methods. The hardware shop receives new sockets from suppliers and used ones from the production floor, assuming all pins in the sockets are still in good condition because they are either brand new or have not had major yield issues during testing. Unfortunately, that is not always the case, mainly due to the averaging effect of the daisy chain test at your socket suppliers. Some marginal C-res pins escape their outgoing quality test. Sockets from the production floor often include marginal or failing pins, which may not be detectable by non-electrical incoming inspection at the hardware shop. When these sockets return to production, it causes extra setup time, frequent equipment downtime, a low first-pass yield with a high retest rate, multi-site yield variations, throughput and capacity shortages, which significantly drive up manufacturing costs. The Modus Test KGS process, utilizing MPT and MTC, can significantly enhance production performance by ensuring that only known good sockets are released to production through the implementation of an outgoing quality test. The implementation of the incoming quality test also ensures that only known good sockets are stored in the hardware shop. It also verifies the quality of brand new sockets sent by socket suppliers. An additional benefit of MTC is significant cost savings, as it eliminates the need to purchase package-specific hand socket lids and their maintenance. The bin setting feature of the MPT enables users to set custom limits based on pin applications in the package, thereby maximizing the lifespan of the pins and resulting in significant cost savings. 2D and 3D maps linked to the test results, along with customized bin colors, help users quickly identify failing or marginal pins for repair or replacement. Another popular application of the MPT and MTC is a high-volume outgoing quality test for the connectors. With the high force capability of the MTC, along with the high pin counts of the MPT, users can implement a high-throughput outgoing quality test for the connectors. As a result of Modus Test KGS implementation, our customers have experienced a significant improvement in their production performance, leading to substantial manufacturing cost savings. One customer appreciated the reduction in test setup downtime frequency from 1 day to 5 to 7 days, while another customer reduced it from 3 days to 7 days. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Enjoy the Modus Test KGS.